We're here at the Hilton Garden Inn here in Merrillville, Indiana. And guess what we have here? We have some Abells here to ride. Our favorite brand. Let's go to 4. You're at 4. Let's go down to 1. And here at 1, it double beeps too. Very weird. Flop leveling. Here we go, back up to 4. Singing on the 1. Huh, really weird lanterns out here too. Yes, we are going down. Nice cabs. Alright, let's go down to 1. We have some innovation deco. Innovation Universal suits me. With a capacity of 2,500. Yes, that's if you want to get up to 2. This one's rattly for some odd reason. Alright, let's go up to 4. Here we go. Here we have 4. That's wonderful. Let's go down to 1 and end the video there. You're welcome.
Ready?
Yep. Let's watch it close. It goes that one and watch this.
Crazy, huh?
And there you have it. Those are the nice Abell elevators. And I guess that is going to be it for me.